Hello there, this is the weekly Forex market update with Mike Earn. So we're going to be looking at this the EURUSD, the GBPUSD, the USDCHF and the USDJPY currency pairs. But first, before I go into that, I'd like to let you know that I give free Forex signals on the Mike Earn channel. So you can go to the Mike Earn channel, join the Mike Earn channel and get free Forex signals. Now the Mike channel, the link to the Mike channel is in the description below. It's a Telegram channel. The link is in the description below. Go to the description below, copy the link to the Mike Telegram channel, paste it in your browser and join the channel and expect signals. Now, yes, the signals I give are free, but trust me, they are highly profitable. I'm doing this to help traders. I'm doing this to help people who trade the Forex market. And when you join, you will be glad that you did. Yes, you'll be glad that you did when you take the signals that I give. They are highly profitable trading signals that will take your trading profits to the highest level of profitability. This is not a bluff, this is the fact. And if you want to be sure that what I'm saying is true, you can join the channel. Go to the description below, copy the link to the channel, paste it in your browser and visit the site, and it will take you to the Telegram channel and you can join the channel and wait for signals. Yes, also I'd like to let you know that I offer account management services as well. If you want to manage your if you want me to manage your Forex account, you can let me know. Reach out to me. Let me know you'd like me to manage your Forex account and let's get started. I'll let you know all the terms and conditions and everything you should know, and we get started. One thing you need to know is that I only make money when I make money for you. So definitely I'll be at my best to make sure that I make a whole lot of money for you. Yeah, so the how you reach me is through my Telegram DM. The link to my Telegram DM is in the description below. Copy the link to my Telegram DM, paste it in your browser, visit the site, and it will bring you into my Telegram DM, and you can reach out to me, talk to me, and let me know you want to engage my account management service. Trust me, you would be glad you did this. I mean, you'll be glad that you engaged my account management service because I I would definitely make a whole lot of money for you. That's one thing you need to know for sure. So let's get started and go into the business of today. We're starting with the Euro USD currency pair. Now, the Euro USD has come into this zone, the 1.16062 area. Let's see what's happening on the weekly. Where we're seeing the market pushing higher on the weekly. What's happening on the monthly time frame? Same idea. But like I've said for some weeks now, I'm not sure. I'm not going to make a decision on where this market is headed just yet because I'm not clear on that. I hope you understand that. I'm not clear on the direction in the market yet. But coming back to the daily time frame, which is our execution time frame. Now, I would suggest that you can, in fact, I believe that this is already a good setup to look for a sell, right? This is a good setup to look for a sell, in my opinion. So, if market opens and and you're willing to sell, that's fine. That will be a good one. That will be a good sell. Now, how do you sell this? You use this candle, this Friday candle, as your risk candle. You use the close of this market as your entry, the high as your stop loss, the close of the Friday candle as your entry, the high as your stop loss, and then go for a 1-to-1 RR. Right, go for a 1-to-1 RR. That's how I would suggest that you take this trade. Right, that's how I would suggest that you do so. That you take the trade because, and of course, if it doesn't meet your own personal trading if it doesn't meet your own personal trading confirmation, I advise you not to take it at all. It's very important that I mention that. I advise you not to take this trade if it does not meet your own personal trading confirmation. It's very important that you know that so you do not So you do not enter a trade that you should not be entering. You know, you will not blame me for the results of the trade at all. So I'm trying to, give that, I'm trying to post something to show what I'm talking about. Yeah, let me see if I can quickly do something like that. If I cannot, I'll move on. Okay, this will be the red part. That'll be the risk part. So let's see. I need to enable the ray, yeah, draw objects in background, good. Okay, so that's it. So that'll be the risk area. Then you go for a one-to-one. Then you go for a one-to-one as well on this one. So that would be my suggestion on this, for this current, move that I just saw right now. This is the way the market closed on Friday. That will be my suggestion. Don't forget it's a one-to-one. Just go for a one-to-one RR on this one. So if for another scenario, if price continues downward, if price comes into, let's say, this zone, yeah, if price comes into this area, that's the 1.10948 zone, and it gives us a bullish day close above that zone, I'll suggest that you go for a buy. Right, go for a buy, but go for a one-to-one buy. Go for a one-to-one buy using the bullish day close candle as your risk candle. I hope you understand that. So let's zoom out a little and see. Okay, there's another zone high there. So if price pushes high, maybe price doesn't come down, maybe it just pushes upwards, and it comes into the 1.17111 zone, and it gives us a bearish day close below that zone. I suggest that you go for a sell. Right, I suggest that you go for a sell using the bearish day close candle as your risk candle, similar to what I explained over here. So that would be my suggestion for this market, right? That would be my suggestion. Don't forget these lines should be seen as zones. They should be seen as zones. But in my opinion, I'll suggest that you I'll suggest that you at least let the candle touch that area of the market, touch the exact line, right, before you look out for a trade. That's what I prefer personally when when I take a trade based off of what it has done with around that zone. I would prefer that it touches that zone or touches the line that I placed before I look for a trade. So that's it. Let's go to the GBPUSD chart. So now for the GBPUSD, what should we look out for? What should we expect? Let's take a look at the monthly time frame. Monthly time frame price keeps pushing higher. The weekly, same idea. Price is pushing higher. It's coming close to the price is coming close to the 1.37472 zone. Right, it's coming up and going close to that area. So now, what should we expect? Let's go to the daily time frame. What should we expect? First of all, okay, let's look for a buy scenario first. For a buy scenario, I'll suggest that you go for a buy scenario. I'll suggest that if price comes to the zone, if price comes into either of the 1.31608 or the 1.31166 areas, if price comes into any of those zones or areas and then gives a bullish day close above those zones, above any of those zones, or comes into contact with both of those zones and then closes above both. If it closes above any of those zones or closes above both, in both cases, it's still valid, right? In any of those cases, it's still very valid. I hope you understand what I'm talking about. What I said is that if price drops and comes into either of the 1.31608 or the 1.31166 zones and then gives a bullish day close above either of those zones, I'll suggest that you look for a buy, right? But if it also gives a bullish day close at above both of those zones, I'll also suggest that you also go for a buy in both scenarios, in all those scenarios as well, whether it's one of those zones or both of these zones. I hope you understand what I'm talking about. Yeah, so that's just it. You look for a buy using the bullish day close candles as your buy candle, as your risk candle rather, right? Go for 1-to-1, because I'm not clear, or would I say I don't want to choose any direction in this market just yet. So now also I'd like to remind you that do not take any trade, do not take any trade or any of my suggestions if they do not meet your own personal trading confirmation. You're not going to blame me for your own loss. I hope you understand that. So now let's look at another scenario. What if price continues high and then comes into this 1.37472 zone? What should we expect? Well, if price comes into that zone and then gives a bearish day close below that zone, I'll suggest that you go for a sell. And I'll suggest that you go for a 1-to-1 sell. I hope you understand that. Go for a 1-to-1 sell using that bearish day close candle as your risk candle. Simple and very clear. Simple and very clear. Don't take it if it doesn't meet your own personal trading confirmation. Don't take it if it doesn't meet your own personal trading confirmation. So I hope you understand. I hope you understood what I just said here. Yeah, so let's go to the USDCHF currency pair now. So USDCHF is clearly a bearish market. Let's take a look at the monthly time frame. We can see what's happening in the monthly time frame. We've seen price come this low. It's at this range over here, and it has broken below that support that held for some time. Right now it has broken below that zone, and looks like we might be looking at lower price areas. I mean, looks like the markets might be dropping down to lower price areas. Yeah, so this is the weekly, same idea. With the weekly, let's go down to the daily time frame. So what should we look out for? Well, simple. The idea is to look out for moves at the major zones of the market. So now, where is the major zone right now? Major zone plus a good move, right? So what's the major zone? I don't think this will be a good move yet. This might not be a good move yet. I don't think this will be a good move yet. Well, okay, I might take this as a good move, right? If we see price return back into the zone after several days, maybe 5 to 6, 7 days, maybe about 7 days of price action, you see price returning to the 0.84001 zone. If price comes from this area and moves maybe like maybe gives us like 7 days price action and then comes into the zone, into the 0.84001 zone, and then gives us a bearish day close below that zone, I'll suggest that you go for a sell. Right, and I'll suggest that you can go for a 1-to-1 sell, but since this is a bearish market, you can go for more than a 1-to-1 sell. You can even see that this area has held in several times. You can see it held over here, you can see it held over here, right? You can see it markets held over here, and I think it also somehow held over here. Now it might return to that zone and also drop as well. So you can go for a 1-to-1 RR, or you can hold till it comes into the next zone of the market, which might be the 0.831905 or the 0.82432. Or better still, you can hold it and throw your stops, or move your stop loss as price progresses to see if you have caught the next leg of the bearish move, because that's also a possibility. That's also a possibility as well. You might catch the next leg of the bearish move and even sell till it comes into this zone or any of the zones lower. It's a possibility, right? Don't rule that out. But for now, yeah. So that's what I'll suggest. So for now, another scenario. Since I cannot see the lower areas, the lower prices, I would have to zoom. I will have to go to the weekly to look for them, or to so I can make the analysis, or I can make the prediction. So let me take this one out, and now if price comes into the zone, if price comes into the 0.77155 area and then gives us a bullish day close above that zone, I'll suggest that you go for a buy. Right, if price gives us a bullish day close above this, I'll suggest that you go for a buy. In this scenario, don't go for more than a 1-to-1, because this is a bearish market, and you definitely do not want to overstay your welcome in a bearish market. So just go for a 1-to-1, and that will be all. Just a 1-to-1 in this scenario. Right, so that will be all for, I think that will be all for, yeah, for USDCHF. But another scenario, just want to put this one out there. If price comes back into this, if price comes into this 0.87126 zone, and then gives us, if price comes into this 0.87126 zone and then gives us a bearish day close below that zone, I'll suggest that you go for a sell. Right, you can go for a 1-to-1 sell, look for an opportunity to sell 1-to-1, or you can hold till it comes into this next zone, this this red line, this 0.84001 zone, or you can just hold indefinitely and see how the market goes. If you have got to see if you have got the next leg of the market, you can trade your stop loss, move your stop loss as price progresses to see that. That will be a very good one. Hope you understand that. So now, yeah, so don't forget that don't take any of these scenarios if they do not meet your own personal trading confirmation. So let's go to the USDJPY currency pair. So now for USDJPY, what should we expect? We've seen how USDJPY closed. So now let's see what the monthly says. Well, same idea, same thing. We've seen price push high. We are seeing this, will I call it a pause or so? I don't know what to call it right now. Now the weekly time frame, same thing happening. Price has not broken below this zone for some time. Or let's say, yeah, price has not broken and closed below this zone for some time. So we still have that very strong zone down there. So now let's go to the daily time frame. Yeah, I'll still take this as a bullish market, right? Because of what it has done over time. I mean, you can see it over here. You can see that move. You can see this bullish, moves right here. You can see that, right? So I'll still take it as a bullish market. So if price comes into this zone, if price comes into this 151.781 zone, and then gives us a bearish day close below that zone, I'll suggest that you go for a sell. Right, but the sell should not be more than a 1-to-1 sell. Using the bearish day close candle as your risk candle and going for only a 1-to-1. Right, going for only a 1-to-1 in that scenario. Yeah, so now for another scenario, this is what I'll suggest for another scenario. If price comes into the zone, now because price is already quite close, well, if price comes into the zone and then it gives us like maybe 4-5 days of price action or more, and then it comes into the zone, if price gives us like 4-5 days of bearish price action and then comes into the zone and it gives us a bullish day close above that zone, then I'll suggest that you go for a buy. You can go for a buy, you can go for a 1-to-1, or you can go for a 2-to-1, or you can even hold and see if price will return, if price will go into the next zone, or if you have caught the next leg of the market, right? So whichever way you want to do that, just make sure you do not overstay your welcome, and make sure you do not over leverage, and also trail your stop loss in situations where you should be trailing your stop loss. If you're expecting more from the market, like a move like this, you should trail your stop loss, because the market might just pull a surprise or the market might just continue downwards, you should make sure you throw your stops, right? You should make sure you throw your stops. I hope you understand that. Make sure you throw your stops. Now, don't forget this. Do not take any of this. Do not take any of this. Um, do not take any of these suggestions or predictions I just made if they do not meet your own personal trading confirmation. It's very important that you know that. Please, please, please. Yeah. Just thought to highlight how relevant that zone has been for some time. I hope you understand that. I think it also did something over here as well. So yeah, so that's it. That's it for the Euro USD, GBP USD, USDCHF, and the USDJPY currency pairs. You can go ahead and ask questions or let me know if you need any help with anything. I'll be here to see if I can answer your questions and comments or respond to your comments. Let me know. So, but before I go, I would like to remind you that I give free forex trading signals. Yes, I give free forex trading signals on the Mike N group and on the Mike N. I give free forex trading signals on the Mike N channel, right? I give free forex signals on the Mike N channel, and if you would like to join the Mike N channel, the link to the Mike N channel is in the description below. Now go to the description below, copy the link to the Mike N channel, paste it in your browser, and visit the site, right? And it will take you to the Mike N channel. Then you can join the channel from there. Yeah, go to the description below, copy the link to the Mike N channel, paste it in your browser, visit the site, and it will take you to the Mike N channel. Then you can join the Mike N channel from there. I hope you understand that. You join the Mike N channel and you'll be getting the signals right there, so you can take them and make some money for yourself. One thing is sure, if you take the signals that I give you, make a lot of money. That is so sure and certain, right? You just have to be there to take the signals. So you have to join the channel to take the signals, because the signals are highly profitable, and I don't want you to miss out on this. Yes, I don't want you to miss out on this. Yes, it is free, but don't look down on it just because it is free. It is free, but it is very, very good for you and very profitable, and it will take your trading to the highest level of profitability. This is not a bluff. You can join the channel and you see for yourself. So that is it for the Micron signals that I give. The Micron free signals that I give on the Micron channel. You can join the channel in the description below. The link to the channel is in the description below. Copy the link, paste it in your browser, visit the site, and join the channel. And for the account management service that I offer, I also like to remind you that I offer account management service I offer account management service, so you can reach out to me. The link to my Telegram DM is in the description below. The link to my Telegram DM is in the description below. Copy the link, paste it in your browser, and chat me up. Copy the link, paste it in your browser, visit the site, and chat me up. It will bring you to my Telegram DM. Right, the link to my Telegram DM is in the description below. Copy the link, paste it in your browser, visit the site, and it will bring you to my DM on Telegram, so you can chat me up and let's talk about how I can manage your forex account. One thing you need to know is that I only get paid when I make money for you, so I definitely would ensure that I make a whole lot of money for you. And trust me, when you subscribe to my account management service, or when you engage my account management service, you will definitely make a whole lot of money. So this is good for you, and it will help you make a lot of money from the forex markets. Many people say, well, the forex market is this and that. They say a lot of things that they don't know, they're not sure of. But one thing is certain, that I make money from the forex market, and I make money consistently from the forex market. So I know what I'm doing, and you can engage my service, and I will help you to also make money from the forex market. I hope you understand that. So yeah, so that's it guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. You can go ahead and share, like, subscribe, comment, ask questions, Thank you so much for everything. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to join the Mike channel, and don't forget to engage my forex account management service if you are interested as well. But don't forget to join the Mike channel. Join the Mike channel. Join the Mike channel. The link is in the description below. Go to the description below. Copy the link to the Mike channel. Paste it in your browser. Visit the site and join the channel. Yes, and expect massively profitable forex signals. Yeah, thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.